Hi guys, I'm Sonika and guess who is with me for today's video? My Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Today I'm going to try and compare my Nikon Coolpix B500 with any DSLR. I know DSLRs are way supreme to this camera, but I'm going to try my best. So let's get started. The best part about this camera is that it is very lightweight. It is very portable as compared to any DSLR with huge lenses which you have to attach to it. It weighs only about 0.5 kg, and many times we feel that, oh, who's going to take that heavy DSLR for our trip? Let me just manage with my phone only. This happens to many people. So this camera is very lightweight, compact, portable, point and shoot, no lenses, no jhanjat. This is the best part of it. You can attach many types of lenses to your DSLR of ranging focal lengths. You can attach different types of prime lenses, telephoto, macro, zoom lenses of different focal lengths. You do not have this freedom with this camera because it has only one lens attached to it and you have to use that only. Imagine you are with a DSLR with a macro lens attached to it. You see a beautiful butterfly, you click its image, and then you see a beautiful waterfall. So you have to change your macro lens to maybe a wide angle lens. Then you click the image of that waterfall. Then you find another beautiful flower. So you have to again change your lens. So you have to keep changing lenses. For this camera, you can use the same lens for landscapes, macro subjects, birds, whatever you find. So the fact that you have a lens attached to it is an advantage as well as a disadvantage. This camera can only shoot in JPEG, it does not shoot in RAW files. This camera does not have a viewfinder. Viewfinder means the peephole through which you look at the thing that you are photographing. You have to look at the screen at all times to have a look at what you are photographing. This consumes more battery also. This camera does not have a manual mode. You cannot play with its aperture and shutter speed. The only thing you can control is its ISO. But a DSLR offers complete control over aperture, ISO, shutter speed, focal length, whatever you want. It is great for creative photography. Also, when it comes to image sensor, image quality, sharpness, depth of field and so many factors, DSLR beats this camera hands down. But when it comes to portability, this camera is better than a DSLR. You can take it with you in your bag at all times without worrying about the weight much. And guys, if you find that I have done justice in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your views in the comments section down below. Share the love with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates related to travel and photography on my channel. Bye!